Chris, it looks like job demand is slowing. U.S. job openings in August fell to 10.1 million. That's a more than 1 year low, down by over 1 million in just a month. Now, economists say that is still a very strong number, but a sign that U.S. labor demand may be moderating. But chipmaker Micron unveiling plans to build a new $100 million factory near Syracuse, New York, to make memory chips, creating 9,000 high-tech permanent jobs, tens of thousands more in construction and other jobs over the next few years. Micron shares 5% higher, while the rest of Wall Street is extending yesterday's big rally. A lot of hopes that the Fed will see that drop in job openings as another reason to ease up on the size of future interest rate hikes. The Dow right now, 759 points higher, 2.5% higher. The NASDAQ up 364. That's 3.33% higher. The S&P up 106. Among the big gainers on the day, Irvine-based electric truck maker Rivian. Those shares up more than 11%, almost 12%, reaffirming its goal of making 25,000 EVs this year. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Tom Busby from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.1 FM.
What's left of this BMW is still going at about 50 miles per hour now. The rear bumper is essentially hanging on by the right side and just flapping in the breeze as he drives. The front passenger side, well, there's no tire there anymore, and the rim is sort of perpendicular. It's barely even there at this point, and he is still going on the freeway. Jen, are you there real quick?
I am.
Where is
he's about to come on? He's right around the 605 in the Cerritos area.
that?
He's going about 40 miles an hour.
Looks like the CHP is behind him, coming up
very
close. You have to think they're going to make a move at some point, so we're stay tuned. It's 8:22.
Enter the LAX Dream Vacation giveaway when you book official airport parking. Go to parking.flylax.com/dream to enter. No purchase necessary.
LA traffic is terrible. We know that. But did you know that the region's largest traffic team on the ground and in the air is now on 97.1 FM? KNX has moved to 97.1 FM to give you a clearer picture of the traffic that you are not moving in. And you can be a part of the team. Become a KNX traffic tipster. Call time on the KNX traffic tip line, 323-467-1070. The KNX traffic tip line is brought to you by Valvoline Instant Oil Change, your 15-minute drive-through oil change.
Looking for stories about the Black community and you don't want to wait until February? Then check out Beyond Black History Month, the podcast that tells inclusive stories year-round. Like how today's labor movement is connected to the civil rights movement, and why Black neighborhoods keep getting hit with water crisis after water crisis.
We're still being charged for water that we can't use.
Listen and subscribe to Beyond Black History Month on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcast from.
Movie buff, animal lover, safe driver.
5 years of driving an ambulance, a thing or two. If people knew what I know, lives could be saved. When I see a car trying to rush past a turning bus, I get concerned. You see, when big vehicles turn right, they have to swing wide to make the turn. And that's a lesson you don't want to learn the hard way. When trucks and buses turn, let's you and I believe.
It's our roads. It's our city.
Visit www.sharetheroadsafely.gov.
Most my sunscreen and other safety measures are key to protecting your skin from aging and cancer. 15 or higher. Also, look for broad spectrum on the label. That means both harmful ultraviolet A and B rays are blocked. Remember, SPF plus broad spectrum equal healthy fun in the sun. Visit www.fda.gov/sunscreen for more information. A message from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration.
Get him. They are close at this point. That
The
CHP,
bumper's gone.
Yeah, bumper's gone. CHP is coming up real close, and he is smoking. I mean, they've got to be putting an end to this pretty soon, don't you think, Jen?
Yeah, I mean, he's still miles an hour on no tire, just his rim sideways.
Let's get a locator.
Westbound 91 Bellflower. We keep thinking he's going to exit, but he's not. He's just driving along the off-ramps, and then he gets back on the freeway. He doesn't even get off the off-ramps. He just drives on the right shoulder, which is what he's doing right now. Now, I get to see he's on the off-ramp. That was Clark. So we're in the Cerritos area. We're heading towards the 710, and he just keeps going.
I think something else just fell off the car.
Well, there's a bumper, and there's...
Well, the bumper's gone. The rear bumper is
and
gone.
see the CHP unit, he's so close. And you'd say, why doesn't he pit him? But look
He
at
was coming
all
up
the cars. You can't pit when it's this traffic. You just can't do it. It's so dangerous, right?
He was coming up real close. So we're going to be on this for you, Jen. Do we need to do a little other traffic real quick, and then we're going to stay on this. We're watching it real
All right,
close.
well, for the most part, just what I'm seeing in terms of traffic is just very heavy patterns. I don't have any huge crashes to talk to you about. All the westbound commutes are as typically slow as they are. And the drive on the North 405 coming up from Long Beach is heavy to the South Bay all the way up towards the 10 freeway. South 405 out of the valley. Unfortunately, now it's heavy all the way from the 118 down into the Sepulveda Pass. So just expect heavy delays on most of the freeways that you normally take. Nothing super unusual here. He's still on the right shoulder. He still has a CHP unit behind him.
Yeah, the CHP is just looking for that moment because he comes up on him and then backs off. Comes up, backs off. So it's going to happen this way.
It looks like even the back tires are having issues.
Yeah,
Now, right now,
left
left
one
one.
coming from the very back of the car.
Yeah.
Right.
Now, Chris, you know these cars pretty well, right? I mean, you're saying this is 750 BMW
It's
sedan?
like a 740, yeah.
740.
740.
Wow. Yeah. I mean, it's durable, if anything. I mean, it has no front tire, no front wheel, and it's still driving.
And we don't know exactly how many people are inside because the windows are tinted, very dark tint. And again, this all started in Walnut. Some very erratic driving. It was a theft.
Yeah, it was a resident. The homeowner saw. They just crashed.
A box truck. He's
So
down.
he's getting out.
It's fishing.
So they team up. He's out. He's out.
To a big rig,
Right. Now look at the other gentleman. He's already running across the freeway right now. Okay. Running across the freeway.
Yeah.
He's jumping over the center divider now.
Center divider.
Heading east on the 91.
There's
There's
two men.
There's two.
That's the cop running after him there. You see
No.
it?
No.
Oh, there's
Two in the car.
they've got two hoodies. They've got hoodies, and they're running across. They're wearing black. So that's right around.
Is that a woman? That
It's
second
tough to
one?
say. I don't know.
Hard to say.
Yeah.
Hard to say.
It's tough to say. So he's found on the 91 running across the freeway, and now they're just exiting there on the 91. It looks like right around. It's just in the Downey area somewhere. What unbelievable! So they're on.
Waving at traffic to
and he's
hold up the
walking
traffic.
now. Running now on the East 91.
I mean, how many cars did they hit along the way, plus that truck at the end? I mean, my gosh.
Well, I got to tell you, this East 91 is going to be really heavy through that area, so it's not like the CHP can just make a U-turn and get across the freeway. Do you understand? They're walking in lanes. Now they're walking in lanes on the 91 eastbound. This is
very
unbelievable.
So again, the location of the
Now they're down to their knees.
So now you're going to be held up. Now this is the
Right.
East 91 in the Flower Lakewood area around, I'd say around Paramount, Lakewood, Downey, Cherry. You're going to be stopped. They're taking them into custody, face
Down on the
planted on the ground. But that's
Guns
amazing
drawn.
that's amazing that they got a unit here that fast on the eastbound side because they were following on the westbound
That's right.
side, right?
Very good point.
So this is between the 710 and the 605, and you're going to be held up. If you're listening to us right now and you're on that
have to wonder what else was going on. Because a residential burglary, do you run from that this far? Because, the amount of charges that they're facing at this point for all that's gone on in this chase, it's a long list at this point.
All right, so
What
eastbound.
was bad is going to be very, very bad for these people.
Yeah, so they're just held right now. They're just stopped on this 91 eastbound, run around Downey, which is, like I said, between the 710 and the 605. You're not going to be going anywhere. Oh, they got the canines out, too.
Okay, so again, locator very quickly. And
Eastbound
the
91 at Downey. East
Okay.
91.
More coming up. Stay tuned.
How's your mental health? I'm listening with Thomas Rhett.
My wife and I have definitely done our fair share of marital counseling, and I think that we've taken a lot of those tools we've learned and really just tried to apply them to the way that we treat each other, to the way that we parent our children, to the way that we talk to our parents and our friends, and it's just super important to be each other to me. It's one thing to hold it in and kind of let it explode as time goes, but I think the more you can kind of get in
Night chart. You won't find PTSD by looking at a thermometer. Sorting out a mental health concern takes professional diagnosis and treatment. Anxiety won't just go away under a bandage. If you or a loved one has a mental health concern, call 1-800-662-HELP for free and confidential information and treatment referral. Learn more at SAMHS.
What's up, everybody? Guess who's hosting a new podcast? No Mercy with Steven. Listen as I pull back the curtain on everything beyond the world of sports, interviewing influencers, guest celebrities, and thought leaders across the political, financial, and social spectrum. You know me. I'll give you my unbiased opinion. A No Mercy episode drops every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith. Presentation of Cadence 13 and Odyssey Studio. Available on the Odyssey app. Listen to your podcast.
This is KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The people you know.
The voices you trust.
8:30. Good morning. I'm Chris Seaton.
And I'm Vicki Moore. You heard it live right here on KNX. The end of this chase that had been going on for the better part of an hour. East on the 91 in Downey is where it's